I started my career more than 20 years ago as a software engineer. When me and my team launched telemedicine service, it became quite popular. I came with the idea that we can automate online consultations about skin health by applying artificial intelligence. Health is everybody need. I made a great tool.
Before we start, let me quickly brief you what AllAboutAI.com does. We actually built a community to make artificial intelligence easier, of course, for businesses to integrate and for users to adapt. And you are with us in this exclusive interview series where we actually introduce different stakeholders, especially owners or the developers like you, to share their stories, their challenges, and their insights about the tool or maybe their market they are tapping in. So we talked about Skinive, and then I'll be wrapping up with some of the personal questions, maybe fun facts, like some lighter note questions, and then we'll wrap it up.
So, regarding my experience, I started my career more than 20 years ago as a software engineer. First of all, I started my career as a freelancer. Then I became a head of small outsourcing company. And after several years, me and my team decided to develop our own projects. So 14 years ago, we launched telemedicine service. So I'm more than 10 years in digital health. Yeah, I don't have a medical background, but I am applying IT technologies in healthcare sector for a long time. So first of all, in my family, I have doctors. My uncle is a head of hospital, and health is that thing that everybody needs. So everybody wants to feel healthy and to look nice. Yep. So that's a basic function, what people want. When me and my team launched telemedicine service, it became quite popular with more than 1,000 doctors and dozens and thousands patients. So I could see all statistics, and I got an insight that about 20% of all questions, online consultations, were regarding skin health. And what people did, they made a photo of their skin pathology, described their problem, and then they need to wait hours or even days to get an answer from a doctor. So I came with the idea that we can automate online consultations about skin health by applying artificial intelligence. And we already had some medical data. I had connections with dermatologists and oncologists, and after this I hired them in our team. So right now they work to train our neural network. They help us to write scientific papers, to communicate with medical communities. Skinive mission is to make dermatological care more accessible for everyone. We see a big problem all around the world that there is not enough dermatologists. In Europe, there are only 30 dermatologists per 1 million population. And in other countries and in other regions, situation not so good. So we applying artificial intelligence and computer vision technologies to analyze images with different skin conditions. We have a convolutional neural network which analyze these images. Yeah, first of all, you need to download Skinive app in App Store or Google Play. After this, you need to fill a short form. So you need to say year of birth, gender, male or female, skin type, and skin phototype. So skin type, is it normal, oily, dry skin, and skin phototype regarding skin color. In the next step, you will see a 3D body model, and you need to place a point where pathology is located, for example, in the hand, on the neck, on the leg. And after this, you need to make a photo of this pathology. And that's all. You will get an answer just in several seconds. Of course, we have several competitors in this market who also apply AI in analyzing skin pathologies. But our solution, that's not only a mole checker, that's a skin scanner. What does it mean? You can use Skinive app not only for to check your moles, but also identify all types of rash, spots on the skin, and other types of pathologies. And also we on the way to analyze not only skin, but also hair diseases, nail diseases. Yep. So all we want to make a solution that you can scan all your body, not only skin. So we have a very diverse data set, not only from European people, but also we had clinical trials in Asia, in Latin America. In this year, we started clinical trials in Africa. So time after time, we adopt our algorithm to all skin types, skin phototypes, and to different regions, because we see that the distribution of diseases is quite different. Like, for example, in the north of Europe and in the south of Europe, because weather is different, climate is different. So a year ago, we analyzed our accuracy. We have one of the biggest validation dataset, which consists of more than 25,000 cases. And on this database, we got more than 95% accuracy, overall accuracy. So it's quite high accuracy on a professional dermatologist level. So it's like a professional dermatologist. Our solution has a GDPR and HIPAA compliance. So that's regarding data privacy. Also, our company has ICO compliance, which also protect personal data. We don't need any kind of personal data like name or surname. We don't analyze faces because thanks to face, you can identify a person using another artificial intelligence tools. So in this case, face is some kind of personal data. We don't analyze faces. We need just a piece of skin, and like this one. And and it is impossible to identify a person by a piece of skin. So we don't know who are our users. We do not share our any kind of data with third-party companies. So our users trust our privacy policy, and they understand that it is impossible to identify. So currently, as we European company, we have CE mark software as a medical device, and it is possible to use our technology not only at home, but also in clinics, in hospitals, in any kind of medical practice. And thousands of doctors are using our app. Thanks to CE mark, we can operate in almost all the world, except of United States and Canada, because they have another kind of regulatory compliance. We need to have FDA approval. So currently we in a process, and I hope in next 1 or 2 years we can enter the United States market. So as I answered before, our first plan is to enter United States market, and then our solution will be available all around the world. Yeah, we want to finish our clinical trials and adopt our algorithm for Afro-American people, and we on the way to build. So right now it's just a symptom checker, but we want to build skin health AI ecosystem where can people check their skin health, can share their experience about treatment, can make online consultation with dermatologists, because we understand that yes, artificial intelligence is a great technology, but AI cannot say final diagnosis and cannot make a prescription. So currently it is impossible due to legal situation. And of course, people want to speak sometimes. They want to speak with a real doctor when they have some problems. They want to discuss about current situation. Yeah. Yes, yes. We negotiation with medical institutions, with healthcare insurance companies, with medical providers. So we want to implement our technology in healthcare system more close. What excites me? So in the first step, it excites that I can help myself with this solution to keep my skin healthy and beauty. The second step, I can help my close one people to stay also healthy and beauty. And the third step, that all people around me can be healthy, more healthy, and with a beautiful skin. So we help to make the world more beauty place. So something fun. Last time when I used my app, it was about 1.5 years ago. I woke up early in the morning. I felt bad. I didn't understand what happened. And my wife told, Kirill, you have a rash on your skin. And I didn't understand what is this. Currently, I'm 40 years old. My wife snapped a photo, and Skinive identified a chicken pox. So, and after 2 days, this diagnosis was confirmed by doctors. And in this case, I was that was a bad news for me, that it was a disease. But in another case, I was very happy and funny that I made a great tool which helps me to identify a problem earlier than doctor said a diagnosis. Currently, I see a lot of AI startups which applying in different sectors of economy, and I see how fast they can grow. But in digital health, you need much more time. So my advice for AI founders who operate in healthcare sector to have more patience, because you need to pass regulatory compliance. You need to have to get first trust from medical community and from users. It takes a little bit more time to enter the market. So if you have a patience, you will get a success in AI healthcare sector. I have three main rules in my life. That's which I apply usually. That's positive thinking, that's meditation, and that's good habit. So it keeps my energy and drive me. So 100 years ago, people didn't have a habit to clean their teeth regularly. So it took about 20 or 30 years to make a new good habit for people. Currently, everybody knows that they need to clean teeth twice a day, in the morning and evening minimum. We at Skinive are trying to make another good habit, to make a skin self-exam on a regular basis. For example, one time a week after a shower, when you don't have a clothes, you can look at your body and see, maybe you can find some strange spots or mole became bigger. And with this habit, we can reduce the number of undiagnosed or late diagnosed skin diseases in about 30%. And it can help to save people's health, beauty, and even life if we speak about skin cancer.